Calculate the distance between the coordinates 1, 3 and 3, 8. Give your answer correct in one decimal place. To do this, I'm going to firstly draw little axes, do a little sketch. So I've got 1, 3, 1 across, 3 up, so that's about there. 1 across, 3 up, and then 3, 8, 3 across, 8 up. And I'm just going to draw in the right angle triangle that makes, because as soon as you draw that right angle triangle in, you should realise that we're doing Pythagoras. So I've got the distance between 1 and 3 is 2. And I've got the distance between 3 and 8, which is 5. If I just draw this triangle over here, and I draw the squares coming off them, because we know that Pythagoras is to do with the squares. And this was 5, this was 2, so if it's a square, that's also going to be 5, square here, that's also going to be 5. Now we know that with Pythagoras, what we know is that the area of these squares here coming off the triangle, they add together to give the total area here. So I've got 5 times 5 is 25, and I've got 2 times 2 is 4. So 25 add 4 is 29. So that's the area of this square here. And if I wanted to find just the length of this edge of the triangle, then I need to do the square root of 29 and pop that on my calculator. And if I put that on my calculator, I get 5.38516, and it wants it to one decimal place. So that's going to be 5.4 rounded. And it's a distance, though it doesn't say whether that's centimetres or anything, so I'll just leave it as 5.4.